Watch this turn into a horrible idea.
So nice glasses.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Keep them on.
Why?
Huh?
Why? Let me see. I like those type of glasses.
I said keep them on.
Why?
Because I said some on.
Why? Because what you mean? Could you say so? Let me see that.
Just leave them on.
Oh, ¿qué le pasó a Gaby? ¿Qué te pasó a ti ahí?
I hit myself in the door.
You hit yourself in the door? ¿Y a quién tú le vas a ir con ese cuento? ¿Qué le pasó a Gaby en el ojo?
Yeah, Mom, she said she hit herself in the door.
Do you think I'm gonna believe that, Ryan? ¿Qué le pasó a Gaby en el ojo? ¿Qué le pasó a Gaby en
Mama
el
got
ojo?
to
She
show
hit
her
herself in
son.
the... Tell my mom you hit herself in the door. Tell my mom.
¿Qué le pasó a Gaby en el ojo?
No, nothing.
No, Gaby. ¿Qué te pasó en el ojo?
I walked into the door, I wasn't looking, and I hit my eye.
Yes, Mom, she just hit her... That's it. She just hit her eye.
Do you think I'm gonna believe that, Ryan?
Ma, look, she's telling you the truth.
¿Tú le pegaste a Gaby, Ryan? ¿Tú le pegaste a Gaby, Ryan?
Ma, she wasn't listening.
Ryan, ¿cómo que tú no le dices, Ryan?
Ma,
¿Tú le
she-
pegaste a Gaby?
She has to
This just got
listen,
into a
Ma.
whole other level.
¿Cómo que you have to listen?
Ma, wait.
What? Do you want to say, do you want
This is why you don't mess with your Hispanic parents.
Huh?